Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So after living in Singapore for 4 amazing years, I am finally moving to Prague. So my flight is at 1:40 am, but I did an early check-in around 5 pm. In Singapore, immigration is super quick, just face scan and done. Now it's time to chill at the Emirates Business Lounge. Let's see what the lounge looks like. I have heard great things about Emirates Business Lounge. This lounge has everything you need to relax before a long flight. Comfortable seating, a full buffet with a mix of Asian and Western cuisine, from hot meals to light bites. There is a wide selection of drinks too, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. So let's check out what the buffet has to offer. While enjoying your meal, you also get a great view of the runway, so you can enjoy flights landing and takeoff. It's such a vibe of aviation lovers. Kids can have a blast with gaming setup. There are 4 pieces just for them. And for us adults, you can catch up on work or daily stuff using the computers here. Perfect balance of fun and productivity. After a relaxing time in the lounge, I headed to my boarding gate. It's a connecting flight, first from Singapore to Dubai, then onwards to Prague. This is an Emirates Boeing 777, which is a single-decker carrier. So let's see what Emirates Boeing 777 Business Class has to offer, from the seat to the service. Emirates Business Class is seriously comfy and perfect for long flights. They also provide noise-cancelling headphones, which really help block out all the background noise. There is plenty of space to keep your stuff, and the entertainment system has tons of movies, shows, and music to keep you busy. The seats are super spacious and fully lie flat, so you can get a good rest on long flights. Each seat has direct aisle access, which is really convenient. In business class, you get a full dining experience. They provide a menu where you can choose everything from light refreshments to a full breakfast, depending on the time of your flight. The food is fresh and tasty, with options that include both Western and Asian dishes. Plus, meals are served on real plates with proper cutlery, No plastic here. They also provide these amazing Bvlgari amenity kits, one especially designed for men and another for women. They come packed with all the travel essentials like creams, lip balms, perfumes, combs, shaving kits, toothbrushes, and many more. It's really a nice touch to help you feel fresh and comfortable during the flight. With this beautiful 6 hours journey, I have now landed in Dubai. Hope you enjoyed flying with me. I'll see you in the next part of the trip from the Dubai Lounge to my flight to Prague. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and spread the love.